I've got some new white shoes from Bruno Marc with a little green on the back. I have not opened these yet, but I'm doing it right now to show you my first impressions, and then I'll throw them on and see how they feel. There is one feature that I'm hoping these have. I think they have based on my reviews, but let's get to that in a second. First of all, packaging is always really nice. I like these little bags, especially when there's a leather shoe underneath it. No scratches, no scuffs. Like it. All right, first impressions. These are exactly what I was hoping for. I'll wear these with my suit. I'll wear these with jeans. I'll wear these with shorts, and they just feel good. Sometimes you get a shoe that kind of feels cheap. These don't. This feels really, really nice. Breathable, for sure. I love the fact that the sole, this is actually a selling point for me. The sole has a little bit of texture, so it kind of looks cool, like a little egg texture, but it's not too much because these white shoes will inevitably get dirty, and so I want to take one of those eraser sponges to the bottom of it, and these will clean up a whole lot easier than if you have a lot of texture. So I like that a lot. Again, the leather feels good. The insole, this was going to be one of the selling points. This has a little thing on the back here. The website said it was like 84% more rebound. I'm hoping that'll be really comfortable, because then you look on the inside as well, there's like this little hump right there where your heel will set on. So I think these will be more comfortable than typical, but the insole itself does feel above average, and especially that little hump in this. So that's, I would say, well above average. All right, so the feature though that I really was hoping for is going to be underneath this extra padding. If it's there, it's there. All right, this is a little bit kind of cheesy. You see that little therapeutic, those little bumps right there on the bottom? I've had one other pair of shoes that have these, and I was pretty sure these did have them. I don't know why I like it so much, but it is kind of that word, therapeutic. It is just, it feels like a little massage on my feet whenever I wear them. So I like it. Yay, it's got it. All right, it actually comes out. You can see kind of what we're dealing with there as far as cushion. All right, I'm gonna wear these for a couple of days. The reason I wanted them the most was because they are all white, and it has that green on the back that pops. I just like the look of that. So I'll get back with you and let you know how they feel. So been wearing these this week, and I will admit the first maybe 2 hours of wearing these, they were a little stiff, but man, they have broken in so nicely. They're comfortable, they're soft like I was hoping they would be. I definitely feel that texture in the midsole, and all in all, I mean, just really, really like them. Love the white, love the green trim. There's lots of different colors you can get. Totally satisfied, and like at a fraction of the cost of some of the name brands. So happy, very happy with these. All right, these were sent to me by Bruno Marc. We partnered with Bruno Marc, gosh, 25 times over the last couple of years. And these are great, affordable, and I just love them. I just absolutely love them. They're just so simple, but that green pops on the back. So yeah, thank you, Bruno Marc. These are great. This is my honest review. I'm not going to steer you wrong. These are great, and very, very easy to recommend. So anyway, hope that helps. Have a good one.